TikTok shop looking around and I saw this really cute blow dryer, and I've had one like this before, but this one was pink. You know, I had to buy it. So we're gonna try it out and see how it works. Everything's better in pink. Beauty Creations Hair One Step Styler. I've had some like this in the past and they worked fine. This one was just pink, and I was like, you know, if anybody's in the market and it's pink and they like pink, this is great. That's the high heat, low heat. I'm all parted and ready to go. So I just finished, I would overall give this like an 8 out of 10. It was pink, obviously that gives it a point or two. But it did a good job. It really only took me like 15 minutes to do my whole head. I have nice volume. The only thing is like this little, but that's just where my natural hair doesn't blend with my extensions. So, but overall it dried really well.